Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI. It's really simple and easy. So you have to go on Janitor AI and just open the chat and hoping that you have an account on Janitor. So if you don't have, just create one and come on the chat section. And here you can see these three bars in the top right corner. You have to tap on it and you have to select this API settings, and here you have proxy. Just select it. When you will come on this page, now go on DeepSeek platform, and here you can see these options in the left side. So select API keys here as well, then tap on this. Here you have different keys. If you have the older one, you can simply delete them or just simply tap on this create new API key and name it janitor, then click on this create API key. So you just have to make sure that you have copy and save this. Accessible for security reason, you will not be able to view it again for your account, so you can save it or write it anywhere and just copy this. Now go to janitor and here select custom and simply paste your API key from DeepSeek. Now here you should copy the open router link, and when you will copy this now again here you need API key, so just create a new API key again, type DeepSeek here, create API key, simply copy it again and paste it here. After this, what you should do is just save settings, and when you will save these settings you can easily set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.